Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, a queue is a collection that follows the first in first out, FIFO, principle. This means that the first element added to the queue will be the first one to be removed. Java provides built-in support for queues in the java.util package, primarily through the queue interface and its implementations like linkedlist, priorityqueue, and arraydeque. ### Key operations of a queue. 1. Enqueue, add an element to the back of the queue. 2. Dequeue, remove and return the front element of the queue. 3. Peek, retrieve the front element without removing it. 4. Check if empty, determine if the queue is empty. 5. Size, get the number of elements in the queue. ### Common queue implementations. Linked list, a doubly-linked list implementation of the list and deque interfaces. Priority queue, a queue that orders elements according to their natural ordering or a comparator provided at queue construction time. Arraydeque, a resizable array implementation of the deque interface. ### Example, using a queue in Java. Here's a simple example that demonstrates how to use a linked list as a queue in Java. Explanation of the code. 1. Importing classes, we import linked list and queue from the java.util package. 2. Creating the queue, we create a queue of type string using linked list. 3. Enqueuing elements, we use the offer method to add elements to the queue. 4. Displaying the queue, we print the contents of the queue. 5. Dequeuing an element, we use the poll method to remove the front element and print it. 6. Peeking at the front element, we use the peek method to retrieve, but not remove, the front element. 7. Checking if the queue is empty, we use the isEmpty method to check if the queue has any elements. 8. Getting the size of the queue, we use the size method to get the number of elements in the queue. ### Output of the example code. When you run the provided code, you should see output similar to this. ### Conclusion. Queues are a fundamental part of data structures and are widely used in various applications such as task scheduling, breadth-first search in graphs, and more. The queue interface and its implementations in Java make it easy to work with queues efficiently. You can choose the appropriate implementation based on your use case.